So this is exactly how I was able to fix that I was not able to join public server on Meccha Chameleon. So firstly I had to close the Meccha Chameleon game here, as you can see, and instead we're gonna open up the settings on our PC or laptop. So now what I'm going to do in here is very simple. We need to firstly click on time and language here, and then click on date and time. And now you need to make sure that this one set the time zone automatically. You need to turn this one on here. If it was off before, you need to turn this one on. Same with the one that says set the time automatically. This one needs to be turned on as well. Because for some reason, if these two here are off, it's gonna mess with your internet settings as well, which is going to cause that you're not able to join public servers, just so you know. You need to also click on sync now. But there is one more thing you need to do as well, and that is to also restart your PC or laptop completely. So once you have done all of this, change the settings on date and time and set this one to automatically. You need to also restart your PC and then go back and try once again. And now this problem should be fixed as well for you.